Allah, who is the most merciful and most beneficent. Respectable guest of honor, worthy principal, the worthy patronage of this glorious institute, honorable teachers and dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today, the topic for speech is increasing illiteracy rate and its impacts on our society. Dear President, it is vivid and clear that illiteracy means darkness, ignorance, destruction, pestilence, famine, horrible, suffering, greatest curse, and untold misery, which is discharge for all hopes, happiness, progress, prosperity, wishes, vision, and mission of a human. Dear President, we are living in an age of science which has made this world is a global village. Science has brought revolutionary changes in our lives and life standards. Now a man can forecast, overcome the hardworks, can travel outside the planet Earth, found treasure from the depth of ocean, conquer the space, but our society and our nation forwarding to illiteracy, ignorance, enlightenment, and unfamiliarity, which is dangerous for our coming generation. Dear President, education is chief defense of nations. Education is important to build character. Education develops personality. That's why our Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, several times emphasized and stressed on getting education. Well-known wise man of word, William Shakespeare says that there's no darkness but ignorance. Franklin says that education begins with life, so we should not leave and close the path of progress and colorful light. Dear President, our educational system is failure. That's why many schools are closed. Thousands of students are stripped off from schools. No fixture, no furniture, and no facilities are available. In many schools, several schools are shelterless and running without expert instructors and guides. In result, we are producing corrupt bureaucrats, clerics, babus, army of unplies on the place of achievers, victors, champions, and winners. Dear President, we are not safe or serve our nation without effective education, without technical information, without informative awareness, and we should give our full attention on our educational reforms as we can achieve our goals and aims. Thanks a lot. Thank you.